You find it difficult to swallow food and you think that your village people are responsible for this. In Nkechi, come here, let me tell you something. You are suffering from what we refer to as esophageal ulcer. Yes, esophageal ulcer is a sore that develops in your lining, in the lining of your esophagus, which is a tube that carries your food from your mouth to your what? Your stomach. Do you get it now? Now, there's a sore in that particular spot in your esophagus. Now, anytime you try to eat, your food touches that particular part, and it hurts you. It gives you some kind of painful sensation, and that's the reason why you are having that particular pain, because it's just like a fly perching on a wound. That's the way the food is. When the food touches that particular sore, it causes pain to your body. Do you get it now? And that is the reason why you're having such pain. Now, there are a lot of reasons why you can experience such pain, and one of the reasons is because of what bacteria, simply because you refuse to cover your food. Like those of you that are fond of opening your pot, you allow flies and cockroaches, rats, you allow them to perch anyhow on your food. When this thing happens, they deposit germs into your food, and when you eat it, you have what bacteria infection, which is also known as what esophageal ulcer in your what esophagus. Now, another reasons why you can have such thing is as a result of excessive alcohol intake. If you are the type that is fond of taking alcohol every now and then, the alcohol is going to burn your esophagus, and when it burns it, it causes some kind of sore in that particular region, which prevents you from swallowing food. Do you get it now? Another reasons why you can also have this esophageal ulcer is as a result of some medications like aspirin. Yes, if you are the type that is fond of taking aspirin every now and then, you are likely to have this what particular ulcer. Now, so how do you feel exactly when you have this particular ulcer? You find that what you are having constant chest pain. Every now and then you're having chest pain. Another one is what difficulty in swallowing, because that ulcer, that sore is already there. Now, when you try to eat, it touches that place, so you find it difficult to swallow. You eventually what start regurgitating. It means that you have to what rechew the food, that you have to vomit it into your mouth and start rechewing it again. And why is that so? Because that food cannot pass through that side, because there's a sore in that lining of your esophagus. Do you get it now? So now, to prevent all of this, you have to take preventive what measure in order to stop all of this what ulcer or whatever it is that is causing that ulcer in your system. And one of the way to to prevent it is to make sure you maintain personal hygiene, cover your food properly. Don't allow what flies, flies, rat, and all those household pests to start perching your food, because the moment they do, they are going to cause this particular what bacteria in your esophagus, which prevent you from eating. And one thing you may experience is even weight loss, because you won't be able to eat well again. You'll be weak because you have lost energy, and also you may experience you may see things like blood in your stool, simply because of that particular opening in your esophagus. Yes. So in order for you to prevent this, you have to avoid excessive intake of alcohol. You have to quit smoking. You have to stop medications like aspirin and any other thing that can actually cause this particular infection. Now, it is best for you to also see your doctors. Your doctors will be in the best shoe to actually advise you on what to do and what to take in order for you to cure this particular illness. I believe you find this video very interesting. If you find it interesting, kindly like, comment, and also share, so that other people can also benefit